Welcome back to another tutorial for 007 First Light. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your in-game language for this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up 007 First Light on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, go ahead and navigate into Options, which is the second to last option, just above Quit Game. Then from the Options page, you will need to navigate down 5 steps, which will take you into Language. Just enter the language menu, and now you can choose your text language from the list of available languages that you can find. Once you find your desired language, just click on the Select button, and it will apply your language right away. The text language that you choose will also be applied to your subtitles. Once your language has been applied, you can just go back, and now you may continue to play your game with your chosen language. You can once again switch it at any point of time by going into Options, and then going into Language. And from the first menu, you can choose your desired language once again. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your in-game language on the 007 First Light game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.